we are going to see about the exercise 2.9 remaining sums. So last class we done first four sums in exercise 2.9. Now we are going to see about the next question. What's the question given? Good morning children. Today we are going to see about the exercise 2.9 remaining sums. So last class we done first four sums in exercise 2.9. Now we are going to see about the fifth question. What is the question given? Resolve into the partial expression into partial fraction. This type will be partial. Now 1 divided by, what is the question given here? 1 divided by x power 4 minus 1. X power 4 minus 1. It will be looks like, in this question we are going to first, it will be looks like a 1 divided by, you have to write like this, x square power square minus 1 square. X square power square minus 1 square. It looks like a square minus b square form. So a square minus b square form. Now we have to write like this, a plus b, a minus b. A plus b, a minus b. You are splitting about this one. Then listen here, you have to write like this. That is 1 divided by x power 4 minus 1. Now using this formula, you have to write like this. 1 divided by, what's the denominator splitting up here? X minus 1, then x plus 1, then x square plus 1. What is the condition to split up the denominator here? X minus 1, x plus 1, x square plus 1. This will be the abbreviation of x power of 4 minus 1. So now we have to write like this. Now we are splitting up this one using the AB. So what is the constant that will be alphabetic we are using for partial fraction? Partially we are splitting up the A divided by x minus 1. Here also plus B divided by x plus 1. Then plus C. Here we are having one x square format. Here we are having x square format here. Now we are writing like this. Cx plus d divided by x square plus 1. Because here itself we are having one x square value, so we are putting one x here in the numerator. So then we have split up this one. What is the next procedure for partial fraction? Now we are going to cross multiply the RHS sides. Let's go cross multiply this one. 1 divided by x power 4 minus 1. Then here we are writing this one. You have to write like this. X power 4 abbreviation is this. X minus 1, x plus 1, x square plus 1, then equal to, what is here? Now we are going to cross multiply this one. Here we have to cross multiply this one. A into x plus 1 into, now we are taking just LCM method. So LCM or cross multiply, whatever it is here. So then V into, here you are writing x minus 1 into x square plus 1. Then Cx plus d into, that is what is the remaining values here. Here we are having x square plus 1. What is the denominator remaining here? This one here. So I have to write like this, x minus 1 and x plus 1. X minus 1 into x plus 1. This will be the LCM of this equation. Now we are going to remains the denominator will be x minus 1, x plus 1, x square plus 1. Now cancelling the denominator from both sides, RHS sides and LHS side. Now cancelling the denominators. What is the remaining values here? So what is the remaining values? So 1 equal to, so what is the RHS side value? That is a into x plus 1, x square plus 1, then plus b into x minus 1, x square plus 1, plus cx into plus cx plus d into x minus 1, x plus 1. So now we are going to substitute the values for given substitute values for x. So now I am going to put x is equal to 1, substituting x is equal to 1 in this equation. So what is the value here getting here? Then 1 equal to here itself 1 plus 1, that will be 2, a into that will be 2, then 1 square plus 1, that will be a is equal to this one is 2, here itself also 2. Here you are putting 1 means it will be cancelled because 1 minus 1, that will be 0 here, then here itself it's totally 0, here this term also totally 0 here. Now what is the value you are getting here? There is just only a into 2 into 2. So now we have to write like this, 1 equal to a into 4. Then what is the a value? So getting a is equal to, that is 1 divided by 4 is the value for a. 1 by 4 is the value for a. Then we are going to substitute. Now I am going to substitute x is equal to minus 1 here. In this equation now we are going to substitute the minus 1 means a will be cancelled here because minus 1 plus 1, that will be totally 0, it will be cancelled 1. So then if you are putting my minus 1, that will be into, let us say 1 equal to b into here itself minus 1 minus 2, that will be minus 2, minus 1 minus 2, minus 1 the whole square, that is plus 1. So here this step it is also, here now I am going to putting this one like this. So here we are getting 1 plus 1, that is also 2 value. Here we are applying minus 1, this value will be 0, the total term will be 0 there. So then what is our minus 4b? Here we are getting minus 4b, then b is equal to minus 1 by 4 is the answer for the value of b, that will be minus 1 by 4. Now we are going to find out the c value. So how to find out the c value? Here we are equating the coefficient of x. Equating the coefficient of. In this question we are having 3x. Here we are having x square. Here itself we are having 1x. So each term consists of x cube value because x power will be cube value. Here we are having 1x square. Here itself we are having x. So here x square, then x, then x. Here 3 x's are there. So now we are going to taking the equation of the coefficient, that will be x cube. Equation of the x cube. Now we have taken the x cube. So in RHS side there is no x cube value. In RHS side only we are having 1 only. So no x cube value. You have to put 0 here. So what is the x cube value from A? So there is a x cube value from A. That means that will be. So here 1x square. Here is also x. That will be 3. So just you have to put A. Then here that will be you have to put B. Then C here, what is the C? Here is also x cube. So what is the coefficient of x cube? That will be C. So what is the A plus B plus C equal to 0? What is the A value? Now we are going to substitute the A and B value. Here easily find out the C value. So what is the A value? That is 1 by 4. B value 1 by minus 1 by 4 plus C. So here it's also 0. C value, that will be 0. So now we are going to substitute the C value into the first equation. C value into the first equation. Here itself we are getting this one. Here we are going to substitute this one. So what is the value? C is equal to 0. It will be total term will be 0 here. So now we are going to substitute this one. Now I am going to put x is equal to 0 in this equation. In this first equation, put x is equal to 0. So here we are getting x is equal to 0 means 1 equal to what is the A value? A means 0 plus 1, that will be same. 0 plus 1, that will be same, totally 1. So here we are putting 0 means 0 plus 1, 1. Here is a 0 plus 1, that is also 1. Just putting A value. Here 0 minus 1. Minus 1 here. 0 plus 1 totally, that will be minus B here. Then, so listen, now we here going to substitute this one. 0 minus 1. 0 square plus 1 means minus 1 into plus 1, that will be minus 1. That's why I am putting minus B here. Then what is the C value for substituting here? So x is equal to 0 means this term will be totally cancelled. What is the D value? 0 minus 1 minus 1. 0 plus 1 plus 1, that will be minus 1. We are getting value, that is minus B is the equation. A minus B minus D. So here we are using this one. This minus D comes this side, will be changes into plus D. So this one So now I am going to substitute this one. 1 equal to, what is the a value? Plus 1 by 4. What is the b value? Minus 1 by 4. Here itself we are having one minus means you have to put plus here. Then minus b. Then so denominator will be same, means 1 equal to 2 divided by 4 minus d. Now cancelling this one, 1 equal to 1 by 2 minus d. 1 by 2 minus d. This minus d will be goes that side, will be changes into plus d. So now we have to write like this. D is equal to t is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 here. D is equal to, we are getting this one 1 minus 2 divided by 2 here. D is equal to minus 1 by 2 is the answer for this one. So D is equal to minus 1 by 2 is the answer. We have find out the A, B, C, D value. 4 values we got. Just we are going to substitute into the equation. So first, just we are going to substitute into, what is the equation here? So what is the equation? So that is 1 divided by x power 4 minus 1 equal to, so what is the equation? A into x plus a divided by x minus 1. What is the a value? That is 1 by 4 divided by x minus 1. Then second value, that is b value, that is minus 1 by 4 divided by x plus 1. Then third one, that will be 3cx. What is the c value? We are getting a 0. So here we are cancelling this one. C value will be cancelled. What is the remaining value? The only d will be there. That is d will be minus 1 by 2. Here I am applying this one, minus will be getting there. 1 by 2. What is the denominator value here? That is x square plus 1. X square plus 1. So this is the equation. Then we are having one numerator, one denominator only. Here itself we are having another denominator 1. So you have to write like this, multiplying this one. So 1 by x power 4 minus 1 equal to 1 divided by 4 into x minus 1. Then here 1 divided by 4 into x plus 1. Here so it will be comes into the denominator. This 2 will be comes into the denominator. So 1 divided by 2 into x square plus 1 is the answer for this question. Okay. So understood, children? Let's find out the next sum. So how to solve the next one? So sixth one will be homework for you. We solve the seventh question. Sixth sum is a homework. Sixth sum is a homework for you. We solve the seventh question. What is the question given for seventh one? That is x square plus 1. X square plus x plus 1 divided by x square minus 5x plus x square minus 5x plus 6. So in this function it will be in a improper fraction. It will be in a improper fraction. Now we are going to solving using the division method. Using the division method. How to divide this one? What is the denominator value? X square minus 5x plus 6. Using the GCD method. Okay. Using the GCD method here. Here itself we are having x square plus x plus 1. Here we are having x square. That will be fully. Here it's also we are having x square fully equal here. Then we are going to multiply this one 1 times. So x square into 1 x square. Then minus into plus minus 5x into 1. That will be 5x plus 6 here. Then now we are going to subtracting this one. Change the sign. Here x square cancel. Here you are writing 6x. Here 1 minus 6, that will be minus 5. 1 minus 6, that will be minus 5. What is the remainder and quotient here? What is the remainder and quotient here? That is 6x minus 5. Now we are going to write like this. So x square plus x plus 1 divided by x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to, what is the remainder here? That is 6. That is what is the quotient and remainder value? So that is the 1 plus, here it's a 6x minus 5 divided by Then here we are going to listen. This one is a quotient, this one is a remainder. Quotient plus, what is the formula here? Quotient plus remainder divided by the denominator. Quotient plus remainder divided by the denominator. So this one is a condition for this division. You are here writing quotient plus what is the remainder? 6 minus 5. One time division it will be enough for this sum. For all the sums, one time division will be enough. Okay, what is the denominator value here? That is x square minus 5x plus 6. X square minus 5x plus 6. Then we are going to find out the partial fraction. How to solve the partial fraction here? What is the denominator value here? X square minus 5x using the mountain method. What is the mountain method here? That is 6 minus 5. 3 into 2. 3 into 2. Here we are applying minus 2 minus 3. Here what is the denominator? That will be x square plus x plus 1 divided by x minus 3, x minus 2. Here we need not to take this one. Just only we are taking this one. 6x minus 5 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to, that is 6x minus 5 divided by x minus 3 into x minus 2. X minus 3 into x minus 3. Then now we are using the partial fraction split up here. Now write it like this: a divided by x minus 3, then plus b divided by x minus 2. Split up the a value and b value. Then we are going to cross multiply this one. Now we are going to cross multiply this one. So what is the value of 6 minus 5 divided by x minus 3, x minus 2. Then cross multiply this one. 6 minus 5, x minus 3, x minus 2 equal to a x minus 2 plus b into x minus 3 divided by x minus 3 into x. Now cancelling the denominator from the LHS and the RHS side. So from both sides we are cancelling this one. What is the remaining value? 6 minus 5, a into x minus 2, then b into plus b into x minus 3. So a into x minus 2, then b into x minus 3 value. Now we are going to substitute this one. X is equal to, I am going to substitute x is equal to 2 here. So 6 into 2, that will be 6 into 2 minus 5 equal to, here itself plus 2 will be cancelled here. 2 minus 3, that will b into minus 1 here. Getting this one, b into minus 1. 12 minus 5 equal to minus 1 here. That will be 12 minus 5, that is 7 equal to minus b. So b into minus 1. What is the b value? This one is a 7 divided minus. So minus 7 is the answer for the b question. So then what is the value for b here? That is minus 7. Now we are going to substitute the b value in the equation. We are getting the a value. So now I am going to substitute. Now I am going to substitute x is equal to 3 here. X is equal to plus 3 in this equation. Here we are getting 6 into 3 minus 5 equal to, what is again this one? 3 minus 2 plus b value will be cancelled, because plus 3 minus 3, that will be cancelled totally, will be 0 here. What is 6? That is 6, 3, 18 minus 5. 18 minus 5 equal to a into 1. Then 18 minus 5 value, that is 13 equal to a. So a is equal to value is 13 here. So what is the value for a? That is 13. Now we are going to substitute a and b value in the equation. We are going to substitute the a and b value in the equation. What is the getting? 6 minus 5 divided by x minus 3, x minus 2. What is the a value? That is 13 divided by x minus 3. Here we are minus 7 divided by x minus 2. 13 divided by x minus 3. Then here we are getting minus 7 divided by x minus 2 is the so answer. Then we are going to substitute into the equation. What is the question for this one? That will be x square plus x plus 1 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to, so 1 plus, so what is the value we are going to substitute for? 6x minus 5 divided by x minus 3 x minus 2, that is 13 divided by x minus 3 minus 7 divided by x minus 2. That is the answer for this question. Okay, let's see the next question. You understand easily. So 8th question will be the homework for you. So same procedure you have to follow. Then we solve the 9th question. So 8th one is also a homework for you. Then we solve the 9th one. What is the question given for 9th one here? That is x plus 12 divided by x plus 1 the whole square into x minus 2. X plus 1 the whole square into x minus 2. So what is the value? X plus 12 divided by. So now we are going to split up this one. What is the value here? A square. It looks like a plus b the whole square. It looks like a plus b the whole square. Now we have to write like this. X plus 1. So now splitting up this one, x minus 2, that is power order. What is that? Before the power order, there will be ascending order. You have to write the first. So let's write the solution. X plus 12 divided by x plus 1 the whole square, x minus 2. Now we are going to write like this. X plus 12 divided by this one, you are going to x plus 1, x plus 1 the whole square, then x minus 2. Because you are writing in the ascending order. So power order will be, you have to write in the ascending order. 1, then 2. So here you have to split up this one. So what is the value? X plus 12 divided by x plus 1, x plus 1 the whole square, x minus 2. Then now split up the a, b, c value. Then you have to split up this one. A divided by x plus 1 plus b divided by x plus 1 the whole square plus c divided by x minus 2. So c value, that is c divided by. Now listen here. Now we are going to cross multiply the RHS side. Here itself we are having x plus 1. We already are having here. So x plus 1, what is the denominator here? X plus 1 the whole square. You have to write like this. X plus 1 into what is the remaining value? That is x minus 2. Then b into, here it will be, LCM will be fulfilled here. What is the remaining this one? b into x minus 2. Then plus c into x plus 1 the whole square. X plus 1 the whole square. Here denominator will send like this. X plus 1 into x plus 1 the whole square plus x minus 2. Now cancelling the denominator from both sides. Now I am going to substitute x is equal to 1. X is equal to minus 1 this equation. Here we are getting minus 1 plus 1 that 11. Minus 1 plus 12 that is getting 11 here. Here I am going to substitute minus 1. It will be cancelled this one. So here it will be minus 1 minus 3, that is b is equal to minus 3. Then here I am applying minus 1. It will be 0. Total term will be cancelled. What is the b value? That is b is equal to 11 minus 11 divided by 3. So what is the b value? Minus 11 divided by 3. The next value we are going to substitute this one. What is the value we are going to substitute this one? X is equal to, here we are having minus 2. X is equal to 2. Now I am going to substitute the value for x is equal to 2 here. X is equal to 2. This equation, what is the value getting here? X plus 12, that is 2 plus 12, that is 14 equal to. Here we are having a into, that is a into. So here itself we are applying plus 2, it will be cancelled. Total term will be 0. Here so total term will be 0. We are applying c into 2 plus 1 the whole square. Then 14 into c into 3 square, that is 14 into c into 9, 3 square, that will be 9. C is equal to 14 divided by 9 is equal to 4. C. Let's find out the a value. Now we are using the coefficient of x square format. What is the format? Coefficient of x square. Equating coefficient of, because we are having only square values only. because equating coefficient of x square value. So what is the x square format here? Here we are having that will be in the LHS side there is no need to use the, because x plus 12 is answer, because we don't have x square, coefficient of x square, you have to write like this 0. Here itself we are having a term will be having x square format, so then we have to write like a. In B where there is we are don't have the a format, we are having only the coefficient of in A. We have to write like this. What is the equation here? That is a into x plus 1 x minus 2 plus b into x minus 2 plus c into x plus 1 the whole square. What is the coefficient of x square value? In RHS itself is 6 plus 12. So in RHS there is no coefficient of x square value, just you are putting 0 here. Here itself we are having this x, here also we are having x. So now we have to apply this one a. So then there is no coefficient of x square from b here, but here we are having x square. Now we have to apply this one c. So a plus c equal to 0. So what is the value for c here? That is a is equal to a plus 14 divided by 9. This 14 divided by 9 will be goes that side. What is the a value? A is equal to minus 14 divided by 9. We find out the a value, b value. Find out the a value, b value, c value. Now we are going to substitute into the equation. Just we are going to substitute into the equation. What is the equation here? That is x plus 12 divided by x plus 1 the whole square into x minus 2. So equal to, what is the question value here? That is, what is the a value we are finding here? That is minus 14 divided by 9 plus, what is the b value? That is minus 11 by 3. A value we are picking up this one, x plus 1 here. Minus 11 divided by 3 divided by x plus 1 the whole square. Third value plus, what is the c value we are getting here? 14 divided by 9. What is the c value? That is plus 14 divided by 9 divided by x minus 2. So here we are having one denominator, one numerator. Here so we have to multiply this one. Same question. Last time we are doing the same question. Here also you are using the same question. 14 divided by 9 into x plus 1 minus 11 by 11 divided by 3 into x plus 1 the whole square. Then 14 divided by 9 into x minus 2. So here itself we are first every equation it will be starts with positive value. Here we are having negative value. It will be changes means right like this. 14 9 into x minus 2 minus 14 divided by 9 into x plus 1. Here minus 11 divided by x plus 1 the whole square. 3 then 3 into x plus 1 the whole square is the answer for this question. Okay. Okay children. 10th question is an homework for you. Let me solve the 12th one. 10 and here 10 and 11 sum will be homework for you. Now we solve the 12th question. What is the question given for 12th one? That is 7 plus x divided by 1 plus x into 1 plus x square. 1 plus x into 1 plus x square. Now we are going to partially split up this one. 7 plus x divided by 1 plus x into 1 plus x square equal to 7 plus x. So now split up this one. A divided by 1 plus x plus, here denominator we are having x square. What is the denominator here? You are having x square means you have to multiply x in the numerator. Now we have to apply this one. Bx plus c divided by 1 plus x square. Wherever denominator you are getting x square value, you have to put 1 x in the numerator. Multiply x in the numerator. So now we are going to cross multiply this one. A into 1 plus x square plus bx plus c into 1 plus x. Bx plus c into 1 plus x divided by 1 plus x plus 1 plus x square. Here itself 7 plus x divided by 1 plus x then 1 plus x square. Now cancelling the denominator on both sides. Now we are going to substitute x is equal to minus 1. Now I am going to substitute x is equal to minus 1 in this equation. Here 7 minus 1, that will be 6, equal to, here I am applying minus 1 the whole square, that is 1. 1 plus 1, that will be 2. Here I am applying minus 1, the total term will be 0. So a is equal to what is the value? 2. And a is equal to 6 divided by 2. A is equal to, that will be 2. Next we are using the equating coefficient of x square. Equating coefficient of x square. Now equating coefficient of x square. In LHS side there is no coefficient of x square value. You have to simply put 0. Then we come into the numerator RHS side. What is the RHS side here? That is a into x square plus 1, x square plus 1, then 1 plus x square into x plus 1. 1 plus x square plus what is the RHS that we are having? A will be having because a into 1 plus x square. Here so coefficient of x square, what is that will be? A. So we are writing a value, then coefficient of, then b into here bx plus c into 1 plus x. Here itself, here having one x, here it's also having one x. What is the coefficient of x value? That will be b is and also having a coefficient. And what is the a value? We are finding out this one 3 here. That is b is equal to minus 3. Now we are going to find out the c value. What is the value getting for a and b? So then the next step I am going to substitute x is equal to 0 in the equation. So x is equal to 0 means here itself only 0. A value that is done. Now getting what is the equation here? That is 7 plus x equal to a into 1 plus x square plus bx plus c into 1 plus x. This is the equation. Now I am going to substitute x is equal to 0 means here itself 7 plus 0, that is sigma is 7 here. Here itself we are having a into, I am substituting 0 here. 1 plus 0, so that will be same 1 here, that will be getting a value. Here I am applying 0 means this term will be cancelled. What is the c value? C into 1 plus 0, that will be 1. So 1 into c, you have to write like this. 7 into what is a value, that is 3 plus c. Then here itself write like this. C is equal to 7 minus 3, c is equal to, that is 4. What is the value for c? That is 4. Here we find out the ABC value. Now we are going to substitute into the equation. Substitute ABC value into the equation. What is the a value we are finding here? That is 7 plus x. What is the equation? 7 plus x 1 plus x into 1 plus x square equal to, what is the a value we have find out here? That is 3 into 1 plus x, that is bx plus c. What is the b value? We have find out here, that is minus 3. What is the b value? That is minus 3. Minus 3x plus what is the c value we have find out here? That is will be 4. Minus 3x plus 4 divided by 1 plus x square is the answer for this question. Okay children, in this class we completed exercise 2.9. The next class we are going to solve the exercise 2.9. Thank you children.